Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to talk about a product that is totally unpopular, unknown, and maybe from a brand that nobody even heard of. So I was searching for a hair mask or a hair spa cream online, and I came up to this product on Amazon, okay? And basically, I never heard of this product. I never saw this brand in any stores or anywhere. Even I never found this product before. So kind of Amazon made me buy it, okay? So I'm talking about Sky Beauty Organic Hair Spa Repairing Cream Bath, okay? So it's a like hair mask or a hair spa cream, and it is quite affordable. Like, I'll say it's cheap. Like, if you compare it with other spa cream that are very costly, this just cost me around 200 or something. This is the MRP is 499, but on a discount I got it for like 200 or something. So it's like a really cheap product, right? And it's totally from an unknown brand. I never heard of it, and I thought that should I buy it, should I not buy it? And when I was going through the reviews and the ratings, I realized that it has a very mixed reviews, okay? Like, the half of the people are very happy with the product, and half of the people are saying it's a shit product. So every time I try to buy something, I always search it online, or maybe Google, or I search it on the YouTube to find some reviews of any product before buying anything. So when I was searching it on Google and YouTube, I couldn't find a single review of this product, okay? I don't know, like, nobody bought it, or like nobody knows about this product, or it's nowhere. It's just nowhere online. You can only buy it from Amazon or Flipkart, but nobody reviewed it ever. And I was a bit skeptical that should I buy it, should I not buy it, because I don't want to put anything on my hair and then ruin it. But then I saw a few good reviews on Amazon, and I thought I should give it a try. I mean, maybe it will be a very nice product. So I bought it, and I use it quite a bit. You can see it has a very not too strong, not too mild of fragrance. It's a very medium kind of fragrance. It has a fragrance like a conditioner or something. You can maybe a Dove conditioner or a Pantene conditioner kind of fragrance. And I use it on my scalp and my hair twice, okay? And I didn't see any massive hair fall or any other issues. But I believe that if you're using it for the first time, don't use it on your scalp. Use it only on your hair, because I think that will be nice and you will not harm your hair anyways. I have a wavy and frizzy kind of hair, okay? So it really matters like what kind of products I'm using, and they're working on my hair and not. So it kind of worked for me. It made my hair softer, smoother, and a little bit manageable. I'm gonna say it's not gonna change your hair totally. It's gonna make your hair a little bit manageable, a little bit softer, and it's a okayish product, okay? Even I have used this product as a conditioner as well. Like, few days ago I was in the shower and I couldn't find my conditioner, and I realized I kept it outside of the room and I was in a hurry. So I thought, can I use this product as a conditioner as well? So I use it twice, okay? And it did work really well as a conditioner as well. So if you want to use it before washing your hair, you can use it. Like, sometimes I do, like, I massage my hair with this cream, and I massage my scalp with some coconut oil or something, and I keep my hair on top for a hour or so, and then I wash it off with the shampoo and a conditioner. And it just makes my hair really like softer, like not frizzy and not so greasy as well, okay? So I kind of like this product. So if you're searching for a affordable any hair mask or a spa cream, I think it will be a good choice, because it's not gonna harm your hair, it's not gonna change your hair drastically, but it's gonna be a nice cream to use as a moisturizer, as a nourisher for your hair, okay? And I realized that their manufacturer is Aryan Herbal International Cosmetics in Delhi, okay? So I think it's a Delhi based brand, and I think it's a very small local brand. I think those people who are staying in Delhi, I think they can get it outside, like offline, in the stores, but I stay in Kolkata and I can't find it anywhere in the store, so I bought it online. So you guys can do that as well, like you will get a huge discount if you buy it online. So I would say that you can give it a try because it's a nice product. I mean, it's not too bad, it's not too great. I mean, it's a okayish product and you can give it a try. And they have said that you can use it on the hair and scalp and leave it for 20 minutes, but I don't use it on my scalp. Occasionally I do, but then not all the time. I always use it on my hair only, and I leave it for an hour or so, not 20 minutes. I always leave it for a 30 minutes or an hour. So they did mention the ingredients list as well in the jar only, and I'm gonna put all the information in the description box so that you can check it out by yourself and you can check all the ingredients before you invest your money on it. And it's even written keratin, okay, it's infused with keratin. I'm not too sure, but I can't find any paraben in it. So yeah, it has fragrance and other chemicals, but it doesn't have any paraben in it, so I think it's a good thing. And their brand name is Sky Beauty Organic. I don't know how organic they are or how much organic things they use in their product, but I think it's an okayish product, and I always encourage to try new brand and new product. Like, I'm not gonna give only a fair chance to the popular brands. I like to give fair chance to the, like, you know, unknown brand or alien brand, or you know, that nobody uses, because you never know, maybe you can find some really good thing from them as well. So I think we should try some unknown products as well while we are investing on some good brands and higher brands. So that's all about this product. I kind of liked it and I think you should give it a try. And I don't know how many people will watch this video because my channel is very new and the product is very new as well, so I don't think a lot of people will know about this product. But if any day anybody wants to buy it from Amazon or Flipkart, and like me, they also search it online, I think they will find this video and this video will help them a little bit. And that's the reason I'm making a review on this product, though it is a very unknown brand and maybe nobody is searching on it, but it's okay. Like, maybe someday somebody will search and will be helpful. So that's all the information I wanted to share with you guys. I know different product works differently with different people, but this product will not cause any severe you know, harm to your hair, I guess, because I have a hair fall issue, I have a dandruff issue, and I didn't see any much you know, irritation or you know, more hair fall after using this product. So I think this is pretty safe product to try. So that's it guys, and that's all the information I wanted to share with you, and I hope it was helpful. And if it was, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that every time I post a video you get the notification. I'm gonna share the buy link in the description box of this product, and I'm gonna share the other information in the description box as well in case you want to check it out. I will try to come back super soon. Until then, please stay safe and stay happy. Bye bye.